How to find deleted Reddit post. Let's get started. First, launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now click on three bars given at the top left corner. Different options will appear. Likewise, click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Settings. You're gonna find different option, but you won't find the option to see deleted post. So what you have to do is close this and launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in removeddit.com. You'll be directed to this page. Now, here you're gonna find this box. Here you'll need to type in your user or subreddit name. Here I'm gonna type in my username. After you type in that, click on Go. With that, you're gonna find the list of the posts or the comments that you have deleted. So this way you can find out where the deleted post. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.